How to reduce bright colors on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to make your screen colors look softer and less intense. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Display. From there, tap on Screen Mode. At this point, you'll see two options, Vivid and Natural. In the next step, select Natural, since this uses more muted, true-to-life colors compared to Vivid. Following this, scroll down on this same screen to find the Color Balance slider. Once done, drag the slider between red and blue to fine-tune how warm or cool the colors appear. From here, tap Apply if the option appears to save your changes. At this stage, if colors still feel too bright, go back to Display and turn on Eye Comfort Shield for an added warm tint. Keep in mind, Eye Comfort Shield can be scheduled to turn on automatically at certain times, like in the evening. Finally, exit back to your home screen to see the softer, less vivid colors applied across your device. And that's it. If this guide helped you reduce bright colors on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.